If you just bought the Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra, stop right there. Before you start using your phone, there are a few important settings you should change immediately. These settings can improve your phone's performance, increase battery life, and make your overall experience much better. In this video, I'll show you 10 Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra settings you should change right now. So let's get started. The first setting is turn off RAM Plus. So to do that, open settings. Open your device settings. Scroll down and then go to device care. Now tap on memory. And you can see the 63% memory is used just by background apps. So you can clean this also, and you need to turn off this RAM plus. Just tap on RAM plus and then turn off RAM plus. So when you turn off RAM plus, you need to restart your device. I'm making the video isliye, that's why I'm not doing it right now. So you do it right now. This feature uses your storage as virtual RAM, but in many cases it can actually slow down performance. Turning it off can make your phone feel faster. Now the next setting is enable 120Hz refresh rate. Now the next setting, go back, scroll up and then tap on display. Now tap on motion smoothness and set it to adaptive. And the motion smoothness is now adaptive. This will make scrolling animations and gaming much smoother. Once you try 120Hz, it's hard to go back. So now the next setting is dark mode. Go back and enable dark mode on your device. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain and can also improve battery life, especially on OLED displays. Plus, it simply looks better. Now the next step is reduce animation speed. So for that, go back, scroll down and then tap on about phone. Scroll down and then tap on software information. And from here tap on bill number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now enter your screen lock. Now you can see developer mode has been enabled. Go back. Go back. Scroll up and you can see the last option is developer option. Tap on it. Now scroll down. Tap on window animation scale and set it to animation scale 0.5x. Now tap on transition animation scale and set it to animation scale 0.5x. And now tap on animated duration scale and set it to animation scale 0.5x. Now your phone instantly feels quicker. Now the next setting is turn off personalized ads. So for that, click on your Samsung account. Tap on security and privacy. Scroll down and then tap on customization service. Scroll down and from here turn this off. Customize ads and direct marketing. Turn this off. This improves privacy and reduces tracking. Now the next setting is turn on Find My Device. So go back and now scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. And here tap on lost device protection. And from here you need to enable this Find My Mobile. Tap on it and make sure this allow this phone to be found is enabled. If this is turned off, just enable this and also enable offline finding, this one. Or if you want more protection, then click on this offline finding and then encrypt and then enable encrypt offline location. For that you need to set 6-digit pin. Just enter that pin. Maybe you can't see the screen right now because of protection, privacy protection. You need to 2 times fill your pin. Enter enter your security pin, and it is encrypt offline location. If you want to reset the pin, you can reset it whenever you want. Now the next setting is turn on battery protection. So for that, go back, go back, go back, go back, and then scroll up, tap on battery, scroll down, and enable battery protection. Tap on battery protection and then turn this on. If this is off, just enable this. There is two options, basic and maximum. Basic means when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then charging will start again. And the next is maximum. Charging will stop at a level you set. The lower the level, the more you can extend the battery's lifespan. So if I am selecting maximum, then I can set the limit of charging. 80%, 85, 90 or 95. This helps maintain battery health and prevents overcharging. Now the next setting is manage background apps. So for that, go back and then tap on background usage limits. And from here you can put unused apps to sleep. So just toggle this on. This limit battery usage for apps that you don't use often. This saves battery and improves performance. Now the last setting is set up your face lock and fingerprint. So go back, and then tap on lock screen and AOT. Tap on screen lock and biometrics. Enter your lock. Then select fingerprints. Add your fingerprints. Click on continue. Click on register. And then register your whichever thumb or finger you want. So now it's done. Click on done. If you want to add more finger, you can just tap on add finger and add it. And it's done. We have added 2 fingers. And now go back and you can add your face also. Click on face recognition. Click on continue. Click on register and put your face on the circle. It says up, see up. If you have wearing any glasses, so you need to remove it. So I'm removing my glasses. Click on continue. Down, right, and it's done. The face is also registered. This gives you fast and secure access to your phone. And those are the settings you should change on your Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra. These simple changes can make your phone faster, smoother, and more secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks.